Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming you're on Windows 10 and signed in with an administrator account. Once done, pause updates in settings to prevent immediate changes. Next, open Services. MSC, press Windows plus R, type Services. MSC, press Enter. You're doing this to control the Windows Update service manually. Make sure to leave the settings window accessible for reference. This step prevents automatic restarts while you change configurations and gives you a safe environment to stop the update service without interruptions. Now stop the Windows Update service. Find Windows Update, right-click, Stop, then set Startup Type to Disabled. This halts update checks. Next, locate Update Orchestrator and Delivery Optimization and stop and disable them too because they can trigger downloads. If you're on Pro or Enterprise, open gpedit. MSC and configure automatic updates to disabled for stronger control. Otherwise, use the registry. Backup first. Then set No Auto Update to 1 under Policies /Microsoft/Windows/Windows Update. These steps reduce automatic update triggers system-wide. To finish, reboot and immediately check services. MSC to confirm Windows Update and related services remain disabled. This verifies your changes took effect. If you later need updates, reverse steps. Set services to manual or automatic and re-enable group policy. If updates resume unexpectedly, open Task Scheduler and disable tasks under Microsoft/Windows/Update Orchestrator and Windows/Update. Sometimes scheduled tasks re-enable services. One troubleshooting tip. If updates still start, run SFC and DISM and review recent system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.